3 no-cost side hustles to make $100 a day. Side Hustle 1. Freelance skills. First up, tap into your skills. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or coding? Offer your freelance services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Turn your passion into quick cash. Side Hustle 2. Affiliate marketing. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. Sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. It's easy and requires zero upfront investment. Side Hustle 3. Online surveys and reviews. Lastly, make money by sharing your opinion. Join survey and review sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. It's simple. Just answer surveys or write quick reviews to earn cash and gift cards. Easy peasy. Conclusion. There you have it. 3 no-cost side hustles to make $100 a day.